In 2019, families in Newark, New Jersey were told to stop drinking their tap water. Lead levels had spiked to more than 5 times the federal action limit, and Newark is not an exception. The Environmental Working Group has documented active contamination issues in water supplies across all 50 states. Right now, there's a real chance your tap water contains lead, PFAS, fluoride, or arsenic at levels no carbon pitcher filter can touch. Today, I'm counting down the 6 best countertop reverse osmosis systems in 2026. The ones that actually deal with this. No plumbing required, no landlord permission needed. Product links are in the description. Starting at number 6, the Waterdrop CoreRO C1S, the most accessible entry point into real reverse osmosis filtration. 5-stage RO process that removes up to 99% of common contaminants, including PFAS, chlorine, fluoride, lead, and arsenic. The 3.2-liter feed tank is generous for this price tier, and the touchscreen panel on the front is genuinely useful. It monitors your TDS level and filter life in real time, so there's no guessing when to replace anything. There's also a built-in LED nightlight under the spout, which sounds minor until you're filling a glass at 6 a.m. and you actually appreciate it. Price, around $199. Annual filter replacement cost, $59, the lowest on this entire list. Waterdrop backs it with 24/7 customer support and a 1-year warranty. Now, the honest limitation. The pure water output tank holds just 1 liter. For a single person or a couple, that's workable. For a family of 4 drinking throughout the day, but you will be refilling more often than you'd like. There's also no UV sterilization here and no remineralization stage, but as a clean, compact, plug-and-play RO system at a price almost anyone can justify. The CoreRO earns its spot on this list. Number 5, the SimPure Y7P-BW, and this is where the list gets serious. 2 things separate this from the CoreRO that matter a lot. First, NSF/ANSI 58 certification. That's not a brand claim. That's independent verification that this system actually removes what it says it removes. SGS International testing confirmed PFOS/PFOA reduction over 98%, lead reduction over 98%, fluoride reduction over 97%, chlorine reduction over 99%. Real-world testing brought TDS readings from 250 parts per million down to under 20 parts per million. Second, UV sterilization. After the water clears the RO membrane, UV light destroys 99.9% of bacteria and viruses with 0 chemicals and 0 byproducts. The efficiency ratio is 4:1, 4 gallons of purified water for every 1 gallon of waste. That's among the best you'll find. The 1.3-gallon feed tank, 3 auto-dispense presets, and LED filter life alerts keep daily use simple. A cup is ready in about 15 seconds. Annual cost runs roughly 10 to 20 cents per gallon. Price, around $369. The limitation, and it's a real one for some people. This system only dispenses water at room temperature. No hot, no cold. There's also no remineralization. If those features don't matter to you, the Y7P-BW is one of the cleanest buys on this list. Number 4, the RKIN U1. Most feature-packed system here, and built for a very specific type of person. The U1 is a 5-stage countertop RO with built-in remineralization, hydrogen infusion, and instant hot and cold water dispensing at any temperature, including boiling. If you heat water constantly for tea, coffee, soups, or anything else, the U1 is the only countertop RO system that completely removes that extra step. That is genuinely useful for a lot of households. Contaminant removal is strong. Third-party testing confirmed 100% elimination of chlorine, fluoride, lead, uranium, copper, and zinc. PFOA/PFOS and hexavalent chromium are also covered. The remineralization stage adds calcium and magnesium back into the water, improving both pH and taste. The hydrogen infusion stage is a feature you won't find on any other countertop system at this level. But here are the trade-offs, and they're significant. The wastewater ratio is 1:1. For every gallon of clean water, 1 gallon is wasted. That's the least efficient ratio on this entire list. Price typically runs $600 or more. And Water Filter Guru's independent comparative testing gave the U1 the lowest performance score of their top RO picks. Not because it underperforms, but because the systems ranked above it are exceptional. If the hot and cold functionality solves a real daily problem for you, the U1 justifies its cost. If it doesn't, the next three options are stronger value. Number 3. The Bluevua RO100ROPOT UV. And it earned this ranking by doing three things that most systems won't do at this price. 1. The water is stored in a borosilicate glass carafe, not plastic. Think about that. You spend money running water through a multi-stage RO system to strip out contaminants, and then it sits in a plastic tank that can leach microplastics back in. The Bluevua avoids that entirely. 2. Dual UV sterilization is standard, not an add-on, not a separate model, built in. 3. The optional remineralization filter adds minerals back into purified water after filtration, which gives it a noticeably cleaner, slightly mineral taste compared to flat RO water. 6 filtration stages total. In BOS Water's 2024 and 2025 independent lab testing, the Bluevua achieved a perfect filtration score, completely removing detectable metals and producing odorless water. Water Filter Guru gave it a 10.00 design score, tied only with the AquaTru Carafe. A full 60-ounce carafe fills in 10 to 15 minutes with a single button press. And Smart Display monitors TDS and sends filter alerts. Price sits around $410 to $435. Limitations to know: NSF/ANSI. Certifications for contaminant reduction are still listed as pending in the WQA database as of early 2026. They've been pending since 2024 with no update. The 2-to-1 wastewater ratio also trails the top two. Annual filter costs come in at roughly 27 cents per gallon, which is on the higher end. But glass carafe, UV sterilization, and remineralization together under $450. That's a combination genuinely hard to find. Number 2. The Waterdrop A1. And if we're being honest, for most households in 2026, this and number 1 are the two systems worth the most serious consideration. 7 filtration stages, dual UV sterilization, IAPMO certification for TDS reduction. An OLED display with real-time TDS monitoring and filter life tracking. Hot and cold water dispensing with 6 temperature presets and 5 volume options. A child lock. This is not a water filter that sits on your counter and quietly does its job. It's a full water appliance. The performance data is exceptional. In Water Filter Guru's TapScore lab testing, the A1 completely eliminated fluoride, uranium, copper, chlorine, phosphorus, sulfate, and strontium, and reduced nitrate by over 92%, barium by over 82%. Overall weighted performance score, 9.17 out of 10, the second highest of any Countertop RO system they've independently tested. A 6-ounce glass fills in 12 seconds. Single filter design makes maintenance nearly effortless. Ongoing cost, $0.269 per gallon. Price, around $509. 2 honest limitations. There's no remineralization stage. RO purified water comes out slightly acidic by default. And Waterdrop uses proprietary filter shapes, which locks you into their replacement pricing long term. Both are real considerations. But in terms of filtration depth, smart features, and certification-backed performance, the A1 is as close to a complete package as this category offers. The only system that beats it does so definitively. Number 1 in 2026, and this is not a close call, the AquaTru Carafe. Water Filter Guru gave it a weighted overall score of 9.57 out of 10, the highest of any RO system they have ever tested, including under-sink models. In their post-filtration TapScore testing, the AquaTru Carafe reduced 100% of all trace contaminants detected in the water, making it the only Countertop RO system to fully purify the water in their testing. 0 contaminants remaining, every single one. It holds IAPMO certifications to NSF standards 42, 53, 58, and 401 for the verified reduction of all 83 contaminants AquaTru claims it can reduce. Not most of them, all 83. No other Countertop RO system on the market has that scope of third-party verified certification. That's the thing that separates it. You're not trusting manufacturer claims, you're trusting independent certification bodies that have physically tested every contaminant on the list. The carafe is glass. The 4-to-1 recovery rate, 1 gallon of waste for every 4 gallons of purified water, is the best efficiency on this list. Filters last 6 months to 2 years with quick change twist replacements. Maintenance costs run just 11 cents to 19 cents per gallon, the lowest here. Want alkaline mineralized water? The Alkaline Classic version includes a remineralization filter that BOS Water's testing confirmed raises pH from 7.3 to over 10. Price is around $399 for the Carafe model. The one real trade-off, speed. It takes about 16 minutes to fill the carafe with 8 cups of water. If instant on-demand water is a hard requirement for you, that's worth knowing. But if clean water, truly, certifiably, verifiably clean water, is the priority, nothing else on this list gets there the way the AquaTru Carafe does. It is the standard everything else is measured against. That's the full countdown. 6 systems, 6 different use cases, 1 clear winner. Whether you're on a tight budget or want the most certified system money can buy in 2026, one of these is the right fit. If this saved you hours of research, hit subscribe. More water filter content is coming. All 6 products are linked in the description below.